Yes, guys, I'm Ramon, and today we will try a Chinese beer. I'm actually in a Chinese restaurant in Luxembourg, and I decided to try something new. I'm not a drinker, don't like beer, and here we have the famous Qingdao. Right, I don't like beer. I've tried a lot, and I don't like them. Well, not a lot. I've tried beer in Belgium, and it was better. The best one. So let's try this. Okay. You see that already? The frost. Yeah. Let's give it a shot. Bottoms up. Oh, it's not bitter. It's not bitter. Okay, it's not bad. It's good. So, imported premium Leisure from 1903, Chinese beer. Okay, so the server or waiter said that this is the most common or well-known Chinese beer. He says that there's another one, but I prefer something that's more common, that's more popular, so I can put it in my YouTube title. Oh, okay. I like it. It's pretty good. I like it. Ça c'est moi, oui. Oh, j'arrive. Alright, as you know, I am not a beer drinker. I don't really like beer in general. However, I've made it my point of duty to try beer. For example, when I went to Belgium, on 2 occasions I've tried the beer because I wanted to judge it because it's so popular. And yeah, there's nothing wrong in tasting it and judging it. And Belgian beer in general, particularly the last one I had in this video, is perhaps the best beer I've had in terms of not being bitter and being soothing. However, that's what I thought, because this one here beats that in my opinion. I'm not a beer judge, so I can't tell you what defines a good beer. But for me, this is so mild on the tongue. It has almost no bitter element, even though you can taste that bitterness, but it's so light. I absolutely love it. This is beer I would drink if I were to go to parties or invite someone over and offer them a drink. So this is what I would go for. Anyways, that is it for today. And leave a comment, like, share, make some recommendations, and I could go to other places, try food or beer. Preferably not beer, but food. Yes, and share. Yes, and see you next time. Ciao, ciao.